The Caribbean Sea is a tropical body of water, one of the branches of the Atlantic Ocean southeast of the Gulf of Mexico. The sea is bordered to the south by South America and to the west by Central America. It is bordered to the north by the Antilles, which consist of the Greater Antilles, Cuba, Jamaica, Hispaniola, and Puerto Rico, while the Lesser Antilles are bordered to the east. The entire area of the Caribbean Sea and the numerous islands of the West Indies and their adjacent coasts are collectively known as the Caribbean. The Caribbean Sea is one of the largest seas with an area of about 2,754 kilometers. The deepest point in the sea is the Cayman Basin between the Cayman Islands and Jamaica at 7,686 meters. Below sea level, the Caribbean coast contains many bays such as Gulf of Gonave, Gulf of Venezuela, Gulf of Darien, Mosquito Bay, Gulf of Paria, and Gulf of Honduras. The Caribbean Sea contains the second largest coral reef in the world, the Great Maya Reef, about 1,000 kilometers (620 miles) along the coast of Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, and Honduras. The Caribbean Sea was unknown to the inhabitants of Eurasia until 1492, when Christopher Columbus sailed the waters of the Caribbean Sea in an attempt to find the sea route to Asia. At that time, the Western Hemisphere was generally unknown to most Europeans, although it had been discovered between 800 and 1000 by Vikings. After the discovery of the Icelands by Columbus, the region was quickly colonized by several Western cultures, initially Spain, then later England, the Dutch Republic, France, Courland, and Denmark. After the colonization of the Caribbean islands, the Caribbean Sea became a busy area for European trade and shipping, and this trade eventually attracted pirates such as Samuel Bellamy and Blackbeard. As of 2015, the region is home to 22 island nations and borders 12 continental countries. The Caribbean Sea is an ocean sea that lies largely on the Caribbean plate. The Caribbean Sea is separated from the ocean by several islands arc of different ages. The smallest extends from the Lesser Antilles to the Virgin Islands to the northeast of Trinidad and Tobago off the coast of Venezuela. This arc was formed by the collision of the South American plate with the Caribbean plate and includes active and extinct volcanoes such as Mount Pele, the Feather volcano on Saint Eustatius in the Dutch Caribbean islands, and Mont Trois Pitons in Dominica, the largest islands in the northern part of the sea. Cuba, Hispaniola, Jamaica, and Puerto Rico lie on an older island arc. The Caribbean has seen a significant increase of human activity since the colonial period. The sea is one of the largest oil-producing areas in the world, producing approximately 170 million clarification needed each year. The region also generates a large fishing industry for neighboring countries, including 500,000 metric tons. Wikitube is the first audiovisual encyclopedia in the English version.